Xiaomi has introduced 13 4G as its successor for Redmi Note 12 4G. Let's look at the device. The phone has perfect flat edges. We have both volume rocker and power button at the right side, along with 3.5mm headset jack and infrared blaster on the top. The screen is also flat and has rounded corners. It has 108MP wide, 8MP ultra wide, and 2MP macro lenses. 33-watt charger included along with USB-C cable. And also, complimentary back cover included. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for camera comparison for Redmi 12 4G and 13 4G. Please subscribe if you like this video.